Good morning, everyone. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, and I just got this baby right here. Oh my god, it's heavy. The XP Pen 24 Pro. And in this video, I will just do a simple unboxing. Alright, let's keep going. It's gonna be big. Was it in the wrong? No, it wasn't. So, this is how it looks like. It's pretty huge, as you can see. Let's see. Let's put it in a right way. I mean, I'm not sure if this is the right way, to be honest. It's so huge. I think this is the right way. So, obviously, they have drawing difference. Okay, I'm excited to know what is this about. Oh my god, this thing is heavy, man. Alright, cool. So, here we go. Oh no. Oh yeah, we have to put it like this. Let's see. What do we have in here? I think they did not think about videos of people doing unboxing because of this way of putting their product. So we have this thing here. I don't know where it is, but let's open it later. Oop. I bet it's the standard to put the tablet on, but let's see. So, two stuff to keep it stable. We're gonna put this away. Wow. Oh my god. This thing is too heavy. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing is heavy, man. It said it's 11 kilograms. The whole box. Let's see. So, so obviously this is the graphic tablet. This is how big it is. So this is how much space you have to draw. Which is the main attraction of this product. It's a 24-inch 2K display, which you can only find in the store right now with Wacom. XP Pen made their own, and price is pretty attractive. As Wacom selling theirs with starting, I think, with 1,500. Excuse this noise. Let's put this here. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. Cool. Okay. That's pretty simple. So we have this. So the stand comes with this one here. This is interesting. How would this work? I need to read the manual. Oh, wow, this is huge. Okay, let's just see what's on the display so far. There's I don't know if you can see this. There's a USB-C. There's a USB-C, an HDMI, and two USB hubs. That means you can hook a mouse to it, and you can hook a keyboard to it as well. Let's see how this thing works here. Pretty interested. So, what's inside of this box here? Let's see. It's a good question. Okay, so here's all the things you need to turn on the device. Okay, and some screws. Okay. This is to read what's important and what's not. This is like power supply, I would say. Pretty simple power supply with this kind of thing to plug it in. They sent this. I don't know why. I'm in Europe, but they sent this too, which is good. Cool. A glove, the popular glove from XP Pen. I personally do not use it, but I used it once and it's pretty decent. The pen that can also support tilting for 60 degrees, and a screwdriver, which is very nice and can become handy. And somehow, I think this is a pen holder. And wow, oh, this is interesting. So from USB, let me take it out. This is very cool. I was actually thinking to buy something like this on my own. Okay, you can see it's obviously not the best material. So it's from USB to USB-C. As my laptop does not have a USB-C, this can come in handy. It doesn't have a USB-C from the side, from the right side. So this can come in really handy. Let's see. And this is I think to screw. This is why there's a screwdriver to screw the pen holder on the graphic tablet. Cool. Then we have this here. I think this is a USB-C to USB-C connection. I'm still not sure if this is a DisplayPort supported. That means you can connect the device with only one cable, which is pretty nice. I think this is a pen holder. I already have this pen. Oh, so there's 2 pens inside, which is ultra cool. Let's see. There's, as you can see, there's a pen. I still did not figure out how to open this here. I think there's some kind of a secret to it. Or you just draw with this pen like this. I'm not sure. Cool. I'm gonna check this thing later. It's not a lot to check out anyway. And it's pretty early in the morning. I ordered this 2 days ago from XP Pen, the website. And they just sent it to me. It came early in the morning. And it is a Saturday, by the way. Pretty good delivery. And an HDMI to HDMI cable. Can come in also handy. Cool! Then this is the thing that we need. The things that we need. There's a manual here. I would be highly interested to know how this standard works. What do we have in here? Quick guide. So I guess, alright, let's see. This tells you how to connect it to the laptop or to the computer you wish. So you can connect it with the USB-C to USB-C, but I think if your USB-C only supports DisplayPort, this can work. Or if not, then you can connect it also. I'm not sure about this if you can connect it with a VGA cable, but there's a HDMI cable. Definitely, there's an HDMI cable. This is not important. Where is the guide to use the stand? Maybe it's somewhere else. Oopala. Okay. This is a thank you from XP Pen. Thank you. Nice. And we have is it sticker? It's a warranty. Cool. Gotta read that later. And it is a... What is this? Oh, driver link for the drivers. Can come in also handy later. And this is to clean the screen, I guess. Alright, let's check this out. Pretty quick. What do they say here? Ah, cool. It also has a screen to disable reflections, so you don't have to be annoyed by lights. Let's see what they're talking about. I'm interested. I mean, this is what they said here, or at least this is the what the Arabic version is saying. So, yeah. Let's see. So this is step 2. There you go. From reflective to absolutely non-reflective, and it feels like a paper. Now you can also buy something that makes it feel even more like a paper. For an artist, that's very important. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 buttons. So you might never need a keyboard. It's like you have the alphabet here already. And I don't know what this is. Still don't know, but it feels like you can roll this like this. So I guess it's you can put the Ctrl Z here, and this is how you roll back into your artwork, which is pretty neat. Or zoom in. This could work like zoom in and zoom out. Let's see what they configured in this amazing device here. Pretty impressed so far. There's buttons here. And there are no buttons. There are touch. You can make the You can make it, what do you call it? You can make the highlight more or less. And I don't know what this is. And this is the menu, and you can turn the device on from here. Yeah. I mean, I wish I could figure out how to do this here now. But I think I need 2 hands. Let's see. Pretty simple. Okay. So you can draw like you can simply draw like that, and then change the height to something you would like more, like this. Of course, you need a stronger hand. You just press the thing from the back, and then you can continue drawing. This is amazing. I love the size, and I'm looking so much forward to draw on this device. Wait for me a review, and see you in the next video indeed. Thanks for watching.